Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can make your font look bigger on iPhone. So go to settings, from here go to display and brightness, from here tap bold size on, and you can see the differences. Okay, and tap the, if you want to bigger your font size, and tap the text size. From here you can bigger your font size like this. Look, this is how you can make your font look bigger. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.